Anyone who wants to become the best food safety supervisor, Level 2? In this case, you've come to the right place. Let me describe this course for you. The Certified Food Safety Supervisor, Level 2 training is an Exemplar Global certified online course by Punyam Academy, which will provide you knowledge and awareness of food hazards, food defense, HACCP system, hygiene practices, etc. that helps in improvement of food safety in any food processing organization. This course is for senior supervisors working in the food processing or manufacturing units or firms. The video tutorials and lectures with an audio-visual presentation on the following topics are given in this course. Food defense, an overview. Food safety culture development. Food safety culture assessment. The basic conditions to achieve food safety PRP. HACCP system, in general. Food safety hazards. Food allergens. And many more. This particular module is a part of the online course. E-learning with video tutorials. Handouts in PDF format. Sessions and final exam. Training certificate. These are the dominant features of an online course. Cost and time efficient. Fast and effective. Convenient and flexible. Anywhere and anytime training. Thank you for watching our video. Please contact us at sales@punyamacademy.com or visit www.punyamacademy.com. If you have any queries,